2023 Toyota Tundra SR5 CrewMax with only 7,000 miles. Hi everyone, my name is Carter, and I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. What a beautiful truck. Black on black, cloth. It is the SR5. It's not real loaded up, but that makes it cheaper to buy and less stuff to break in the long run. This is the new truck for 2023 or 2022. Toyota nailed it. They hit it out of the park. It's like you drive the old Tundra, great trucks, ran forever, but you felt like you're driving something from the 90s. This thing here is up with everybody else. It's got the twin turbo and the 10-speed automatic, 5.5 foot bed. It is a CrewMax. It's got the big touch screen and keyless entry, push button start, tow package, cloth. Just a nice truck inside and out. They are hard to find. Most of the time, you don't really see any new ones sitting on the lots. It does come with full factory warranty. It is one owner. It's got a clear Carfax. It's been independently inspected. It does come with the factory warranty. You can extend that even longer in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. That's get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. We can have you in and out of here when you're pre-approved less than 20 minutes. We're not going to keep you all day like the new stores, like the big box stores. Seriously, there's no reason to be here longer than 20 minutes if you're pre-approved, unless you need to take longer, but we're not going to keep you all day. Let's talk about price. We don't have any hidden fees. We do have a $145 dock fee, but this is your video coupon. That's right. This is your video coupon, so there's no dock fee. So the price you see is the price you pay. Drive it away. Again, price you see is the price you pay. Drive it away. No hidden fees. Lots of dealers are advertising vehicles at or below cost. Or they advertise it with all the incentives, the rebates, all that. But you got to write a much bigger check. Not here. Price you see is price you pay. Drive it away. So let's recap. 2023, less than 8,000 miles, one owner, clear Carfax, no accidents, bumper-to-bumper warranty, independently inspected, fresh service, was North Dakota truck since new, fast financing, no hidden fees. That is the Autorama advantage. Come and join us.